Okay, so this one's supposed to go juice, juice, juice. Okay, no, it doesn't. It just makes a bunch of fire sound. And they're about to light another one.
Don't light away. Whoa.
My dog hates firecrackers too. I'm gonna light some blackjacks right now, like a whole row of them.
Hey, you should get two of. You should have got two of them.
God.
You should get two of them.
Okay, I gotta find a fuse. All right, someone.
You need me to hold. You need me to hold the light for you?
Yeah, I got it.
Light?
All right, hold on, guys. I gotta figure something out. I only want to hand it now. Okay. That's not very safe. I don't like that one.
That one hit me in the eyes.
I don't like that one.